Hola, estudiantes. This video is about the future and the conditional and the other uses that you can use them for besides their traditional uses. Just a quick review of conjugation. The future tense in English normally is will verb, and in Spanish we form the future tense by writing the infinitive verb and then adding the future tense endings e, as, a, hemos, es, y an. And here's a list of the irregulars. But today we're talking about another way that you can use the future tense. We can also use the future tense to say what you think is probably true now, or what might be happening right now. Here are some examples. El avión probablemente llegará a tiempo. The plane is probably arriving on time. ¿Habrá cola larga en la zona de seguridad? I wonder if there's a long line at security. Llegaremos tarde, pero alcanzaremos el avión. We may arrive late, but we'll make the plane. ¿Qué hora será? What time could it be right now? El vuelo probablemente tendrá retraso. The flight must be behind schedule. No servirán nada en el avión. They probably don't serve anything on the plane. El vuelo directo será más caro, pero es más fácil. The nonstop flight may be more expensive, but it's easier. So those are all examples of saying what someone thinks is probably true now, or what might be happening right now, even though the future tense is used. And then a quick review of el condicional, the conditional tense. In English, this is usually adding the word would in front of a verb. And in Spanish, we form the conditional by writing the infinitive verb and then adding the conditional tense endings ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian. The irregulars are the same as the future. We can also use the conditional tense to say what I think or what somebody thinks was probably true, or what might have happened in the past. Here are some examples. Habría un accidente más adelante. There must have been an accident up ahead. El vuelo aterrizaría a las 7 de la noche. The flight probably landed at 7 in the evening. Serían las 8 cuando llegamos al hotel. It must have been 8:30 when we got to the hotel. Nuestro equipo no llegó. ¿A dónde lo mandaría la aerolínea? Our luggage didn't arrive. I wonder where the airline sent it. Here's your check for understanding. Número uno, I want you to use the future tense of aterrizar to ask, what time is the plane landing? So you should have a 6-word question sentence, and the verb goes in this spot. So future tense of aterrizar. What time is the plane landing? Número dos, I want you to use the conditional of the verb hablar to ask, I wonder what those guys were talking about. So you should have a 5-word question sentence, and the verb hablar in the conditional goes in the middle. Hasta luego, hablamos pronto y practicamos más en clase.